Cloud skills. Every professional should learn. Cloud computing has transformed how organizations build and operate technology. Today, cloud skills are valuable far beyond traditional IT roles. Understanding the cloud is becoming a professional advantage. You do not need to become a cloud architect immediately. Start by understanding the fundamentals. Learn what cloud computing actually is. Understand the differences between infrastructure, platforms, and software services. Explore how organizations use cloud platforms to improve flexibility and scalability. Next, gain hands-on experience. Create an account on a major cloud platform. Build simple projects. Deploy websites. Store files. Experiment with virtual machines. Practical experience accelerates learning dramatically. Security should be part of your cloud journey from day one. Learn about identity management and access controls. Understand shared responsibility models. Cloud security is foundational knowledge. Cost management is another important skill. Cloud resources have real costs. Understanding pricing helps you design efficient solutions. Cloud computing is no longer a niche specialty. It influences software development, data analytics, cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, and business operations. Professionals who understand cloud concepts have a significant advantage. The future of technology is increasingly cloud-powered. Learning these skills today prepares you for that future.